Hi, I'm Nathan from 240 Tech Electrical. I specialise in domestic and commercial jobs servicing the Burwood area. I'm a local electrician, so your satisfaction is very important to my business. Having a young family myself, I realise how important family time is. So when you organise an electrician, you want one that will turn up when they say they will and one that will work efficiently. I only operate in a small area, so it's very easy for me to drop by and price your job first. You have the right to feel safe in your own home, so I'm police checked. I have working with children accreditation from helping at my children's school, and I'm proud to show these on request. So if you're in the Burwood area and you want no obligation, free electrical advice, call Nathan, your local electrician.